This is the third annual Dirtbag cleanup. We've been on the trails many times and we've seen trash out there. We want to do something good for the community. So this is what we do. We just started this. We're glad that, there's some people who are nice enough to, donate their time and help us out.
If they want the smoke, then yeah, it's no jokes, boy, it's up. In the end zone, that's a TD, we finessing chub. Filling up the stat sheets and they knowing that's a plus. Back to back, highlight plays, all my moves is tough. Watch them all die out, I've been killing with my looks. Feeling like a pro, I've been schooling all these rugs. They be betting all us, calling plays out the books. Little bit of prayer, hard work, that's all it took. All I want, W's and bank rolls, that's all I want. All I want, that's all I want. W's and bank rolls, that's all I want.
Hey, all I want is money, power, respect, though. Can I take our foot up off they necks? No. I saw the duo, yeah, we next, bro. Do not call my phone, send a text. They see us by our style, send our checks, though. She licked me up and down, that's from head to toe. About to catch a flight, let's go to Mexico. Living in the moment, cause you never know. So now you know.
Mission, clean up all trash.
We're gonna do a cleanup, and we're excited to be here. Appreciate it, Rick. Not this trip.
Lost my transfer case, no wheel drive. Yes, and intermediate's not gonna be like crazy hard. We're kind of worried about it. We got some good leaders for the intermediate.
Our goal today is not to pick up trash for 4 hours, so sorry to bust your bubble. Our goal today is to have fun and learn wheeling and obviously keep the trails cleaner than we found it today. So.
Filling up the stat sheets and they knowing that's a plus. Back to back, highlight plays, all my moves is tough. Watch them all die out, I've been killing with my looks. Feeling like a pro, I've been schooling all these rugs. They be betting all us, calling plays out the books. Little bit of prayer, hard work, that's all it took. All I want, W's and bank rolls, that's all I want. All I want, that's all I want. W's and bank rolls, that's all I want. Hey.
Biggest thing we're finding, shotgun shells. If you shoot on BLM land, just pick up after yourself, man. You hunt or your target practice, it's pretty easy. Just pick up your shells, right?
Yeah, man, pick up after yourself.
Things to not do on the trail. Dude, shake it.
It's a killer calf workout, bro.
Some moves, dude. Ass look good. Some of that Fab Zone connect, bro.
Forward and driver. There you go. Driver. It's gonna get tippy. You're gonna get scared. Don't worry. Good. Driver. Good. Driver. Don't slap the brakes like that. If it does that, just let it fucking fall through, man.
4 truckloads full. Trash. A couple couches. I don't know what this is. Car seat? I think it's a car seat, yeah. A couple car seats. A cone. Here's a couch. Great day out there cleaning up at Otay. Dirtbags, thanks for having us. Shout out to TRSD, part-time crawlers. Out.